Welcome, in front of me I have a REALME X7 Max, and today I'll show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. At the first, you have to open your notification bar and then tap right here on this icon. And the next, if you want to change position, for example for eye comfort, you have to click, hold, and then you have to drag it. Here we put it between the mobile data and the silent mode. If you want to remove icon like maybe the dark mode, you have to click, hold, and then drag it below. And if you want to add additional icons from this screen, for example from the storage, you have to click, hold, and then put it here. And as you can see, it's very simple. After that, you can just go back, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.